Donc, on va entrer à l'intérieur. Vous pouvez prendre les photos. Je vais expliquer en anglais et on vous rejoint à l'intérieur. So, we always have same concept. We have a space surrounded by different rooms. You can see the reconstruction of the facade. They use two types of stones, the limestone and the brick. We don't know why we had the false windows.